Alright, in this video you may have already seen my previous acquisition. That is a Torino that was missing a lot of parts, and so I bought this Thunderbird and drug it home 4 parts. It has a lot of goodies, so we'll get it running, and then we're going to start taking parts off and putting them on the Torino. So stay tuned. That's for sure. What have I done? All right, I'm gonna pressure wash this thing. It's disgusting. Not because I want it to really look better, but I want it to be a little cleaner to work on. And I don't know if I can get this much cleaner, but we're gonna pressure wash it anyway. It's a little cleaner. We got some of the crud off of it. I didn't really get the hood, but I got engine compartment a little bit and most of the crud off the outside. Now, what happened there, you think, huh? That's a bullet. This car is bulletproof. Alright, this thing is full of leaves. Oh, some critter living in here too. What a mess. Makes sense, it's a 76. I think that's when they started. Somewhere in that neighborhood. Potential vacuum leaks here. Carburetor's not frozen up. Well, it's dry in there. Not really corroded. Good run. So let me get in here and show you what I'm looking at. So the Torino and the Thunderbird share the same chassis. So this engine's complete, supposedly low miles. It's got the power steering pump, distributor, water pump, alternator, fuel pump. All the wiring harness is in here. Everything that's needed for the electronic ignition. Electronic box here, throttle cables, even windshield wiper motor, brake master cylinder, brake booster, the heater, AC box, radiator, shroud, fan, pulleys, all of that stuff will go in here. This, you can see, has nothing. No fuel pump, no water pump, no pulleys, not even a harmonic balancer, no distributor, not even the thermostat housing, nothing. Just bare block. There's no windshield washer motor, no heater box, no brakes, no radiator, fan, shroud. All of that stuff is here. And like I said, possibly the windshield's interchange. I don't think so. I do think the door glass does, but the windshield might. And if it does, that's cool. If it don't, that's not a big deal. But basically, everything under the hood, including all the wiring, and even this car has all the brakes on it. So calipers, everything is there. This has no calipers, just bare rotors. So that is basically what I wanted. All right, I'm gonna see if this thing will turn over. It's kind of hard to see down in there, but I got a ratchet on it. Yeah, it's turning over. Good. She's not locked up. All right, I popped these torsion bar things, well, Thunderbird door hinges, because they were missing on the Torino. I got one on. I don't know what I did with the other one already. Oh, here it is. This is the driver's side one. So I popped them off the Thunderbird. We got that one in there, so that'll hold the door open. All right, I got that one in now as well. So the doors will stay open. And then I got the door latches from the Thunderbird on there. So, good. All right, I put a little gas in her. got a little wiring here going on. Let's see if she'll start. Vacuum leaks, but it runs. But oh well, it runs. Well, thanks for watching. The Thunderbird runs. I was able to use a lot of the door latch mechanisms and stuff to get these doors working properly. And I'm going to continue to make video. My next step's just going to be to start stripping this thing now that I know it runs and the transmission will go into gear. So stay tuned for more updates on building a Torino out of a Thunderbird.